girls, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Miss Lulu, your favorite YouTuber. If you are not, it's just your favorite YouTuber. Welcome back to a new video. So today is Monday, January 11, and today's video is all about cleaning. I want to clean my space. I wanted to clean it, but I said I can't clean it without you guys. So I want you guys to let's just clean it together, me and you guys. You guys are my besties, you guys are my loves, you guys know already, yeah. So let's just clean together and clean up the space, because when my space is like this, guys, I have zero energy. When my energy is down, sometimes I like to change the setting of my room. Sometimes you'll be kind of down, even your room, like your space, you don't like it. It's kind of good when it's change the space sometimes. For me, when I'm in a messy environment, it really turns me off. It makes me feel more irritating, more moody. I don't really like it at all.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
excuse my face. I applied this acne product on my face because the cat hair is too much and the dust. So I just decided to apply it as a mask on my face to prevent my face. You guys know my bed is like this, right? Like facing the flower. The head side is at this side. So it's like this. So I'm coming to change the position. I told you guys I like to change my room like at least sometimes every month or sometimes every 3 weeks because it depends on my mood. So I just want to change the way how the bed was before and do it another way. So far so good. I am done with this side. My light is here, that's why it's flashing. I'm done with this side, but anyways, when I am done I will just show you guys everything. Hey my loves, welcome back. This video has been long overdue, guys. Since I last cleaned, I think this is 2 weeks later. Shame was me, seriously. I cleaned up and this cat, they messed up everything. So I have to repack again. You guys can see the way when I was cleaning, the way I pack is not the same. Let me just start from this side. So this is how I pack my bag. My cap is here. My perfumes. So I decided to hang on my brown nude color here. I have a lot of this color. This is my colors, right? Seriously, this is the color I like, and I'm seeing my future self wearing such kind of colors. I love those hangers. I love those ones, but they're not in stock. I bought this one at Accra Mall the last time, so I don't know. I checked there the last time I went to Accra. I didn't get it at Crime Mall. I didn't see any of them. I really love this one, but if I can get anyone like is something similar like the shade, I really love it. To add all my nudes, maybe like I'll just mix nude and white or brown and white. The makeups that I've not been using, they are here and here as well. Nightgown are here. My polish, my powder, liquid, my press on nails. So I just packed everything. This is my coconut bag. I just put it here. And my ring, I need to buy either this one or this one, but this one is expensive now. So I need to get this one as well. Put this band on them, and my short wig cap is here. My combs, hair product, my heels, and some of my wig caps are here again. This is my summer sewing machine. See what the cats are doing. So in those bags I have different things. My panties, my bed sheet, and what is in here? I think this is my scarf. These are all my house things, the one I used to wear at home. I just differentiate them because I like, if I want to go out, I know where I'm coming to take. And this one is just like a casual. If I'm going to buy something at the store, I'll just pick one of those one. This is the dress I bought for Easter. I never show you guys. I'm trying to get a bed frame for my foam and also a new closet. This one is just a single closet that I've been managing for a while now. So some of my things are here as well, and here my things, my fabrics that I used to sew. I sew those zipper bag for my dirty things. They are here. This box as well, my things that I've not even touched yet. I have some things that I've not even wear yet, guys. That's how crazy. These things, they are just here. I don't really go out, guys, seriously, and I need to start going out. My pyramids, I like my bed. My problem is I fear height. I don't like height. I don't like something high, then I'll be watching down. No, I don't like height, so that is my problem. Since I was a baby, I don't like to sleep on the bed. I prefer to sleep on the floor. That's why I always like my foam to be on the floor. Yeah, but it's always nice and decent and simple. I removed the carpet from the hall and my small cushion. I did that cushion myself. These are my gym, like in the morning. As long as I see these ones, I'll feel like exercising. And my Bible, Wi-Fi. You guys know I like flowers, so my flower is here. I just like the space here to be like this. Yeah, so let me just end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like my cleaning video.